hunyo wa mwiri tigukega ndari wendo we sama hunyo wa mwiri ya tigukega hunyo wa mwiri tigukega hunyo wa mwiri tigukega muini wa rwimbo ugwitwo Samido akeina akiuga ya no ndokite agacemania na mundu wina hunyo wa mwiri mukigu. This stupid man, stupid Gamini was stupid. Yeah. Ndikwenda kurakara. I don't want to go that direction. Yeah. Nyina wa Jerry ndona ni rakidirwo waiting for Valentines. Have no worries with that. I cannot complain. Tondu njure yaku ni ikarite nayo ngira tuonage kartu mwaka wa 2020. Yeah. You just hit and feel as if you are in 2020. I have never seen that. I have never even, I cannot be able to comprehend. Yeah? So, tororo guo. Ndona Kimemia ndari kuo. Yeah. Definitely something was telling me. Yeah? Inside my heart, inside my soul, I could feel Kimemia natwarire mukaku Valentines. But something was hitting my membrane. The neurons could feel. Muro sidagetwara muka anywhere. Because he married a creature. Mutumia muhogoi. I've never seen such a chaotic woman. Muikaragete oguo. Hey, ndaserete wa Kimemia. Muikaragete oguo. Ukaigwa uga. I have never had that. Yeah? Mundu wina weiru kuma haha all the way to Arabuko Sakoke. I have never had that. I have never seen that. Yeah? Kiburi. So, Kimemia is not around, and I'm feeling that something bad might be happening to him. Or he is planning something bad. Yeah? Aya. Oyo nero ho anywedi. This is Nywedi spirit. This is... I've never had that. Yeah. What is happening? What is happening in here? What is happening? Here. Kimemia, stop.